gonna show you Little Leaf Pet's toy. So it's really cute, and it is in the little cage, and you see there's a little food down there for her to eat. Look, so creative. And so you can see we bought a purple bird. That's really cute. And when you open with the key, you open the cage. And behind, you can see like a bottom rhythm down here. So, yeah. And then you can even take out the food. And then this the food looks like. There's a lot of beans. This is where they drink water. This is where they drink water. This is where they eat their food. And it's just a clip. And then in your left hand side, you'll see as here. But you don't go and put here. You put the other one down here. And then don't put it here. Put it in the lowest part. And just push this down. Because there's a lid down there, you see. And then you just press down. And then it'll be perfect. So it is pretty cute. And you can even take out this bird. Give me a few seconds. So we got the bird out. It's really fluffy. And the wings are really, really colorful. The eyes are small. The mouth, you can open the mouth. And then if you press this button and if you say something, it will repeat what you say. Try it. What are you doing, buddy? So this is how it looks like. The sounds come from here, and the battery reloads from doing the lights on. Press it. Press the button. And don't let go your hands. If you let go, there will be no sounds. If you let go your hands, it won't say anything. There's a little dot down there. I don't know why it's for. So when you put your bird in, I want you to be careful and see properly. Okay, so there is actually 4 borders that you can see in a white length, right? You can actually put 2 birds at here, but I only bought 1 bird. So you see those 2 of here, down here, these 2 in the middle of the center. You put your bird feet in 1 hole. You see? So you put your feet in your right hand leg, your right hand left into this hole, the left hole. So you put it. But guys, the trick is very funny. You have to put the legs down here, and then here you have to put down here. There's a little thing down here you put in here. Now gently put it in. See in a few moments. So when you actually put in the bird, it becomes like that. And then you need to hardly push in the legs, and then it goes tight. And then you take the cage, you pull down here, you see the little key, you see this thing, you press down your key to very bottom until you cannot pull, and you're done. Look, there's even a hanger for you to hang, so you can bring her walk. So make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe it down below. Guys, please subscribe it down below. And hope you see our next video. Bye! Don't forget our bird. I named this bird Violet because it looks very purple. Okay, anyways, bye guys. Subscribe it down below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Good.